Yo, welcome to the Cooking Journal. Hey, back in 2023. Hey, trying out the new camera person today. You know what I'm saying? They're kind of nervous, so I'm gonna be doing most of the filming myself. But hey, I want to come and let y'all know, hey, what I've been up to. Actually, I've been up to quite a bit of stuff. You know what I'm saying? We got like interpreters and stuff that comes out and interpret different areas of period in time. And last October, I played the grave digger, and so, but he didn't have no roles, so I wrote a script for that, and it got approved. So I'll be doing that this October, and I'm gonna have it filmed. I'm gonna put it on there so y'all can see. And then I actually wrote 2 songs, one a country and one a blues song. I wrote that for another guy. He's gonna be sending me some copies of that there, and we're gonna see get that together. And oh yeah, I got the Orange Hawk back on the road. You know what I'm saying? We're doing a little restoring on here. I still got a little ways to go, but it's getting back ready. It's getting back right. And today we're gonna film because my camera is kind of nervous. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do most of the filming. We're gonna do a simple recipe. Don't worry, I'm doing it very simple. I'm gonna do an old-fashioned onion hamburger. I'm gonna do it on the pit. You know what I'm saying? It's simple, easy ingredients, nothing. Just this is a test video compared to the stuff I'm really finna hit y'all with. Man, hey, 2023 looking to be good. If we can get this here stuff down and get it right, get the viewers back. I'm thank y'all for sticking around and watching and subscribing. Hey, I'm gonna bring it back next year, and hopefully we get to a point where we can do a video every week. Cooking General, ask somebody. And welcome back to the Cooking General. I'm gonna get my codes going in a minute, but you can see I still shop at that bargain bin. See that still hamburger patties? They was like what, $11.69. I got them for $6.31. Couldn't cook them anyway, so hey, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? All you're gonna need is onion, you know, and right here you're gonna need your salt and pepper. I'm just gonna put mayonnaise, mustard. Like I say, it's old-fashioned. Ain't got a lot of ingredients. Hamburger, dill pickles, and I'm gonna use some sliced jalapeno. Then I'm also, gonna use my buns. You gotta have your buns. I'm gonna toast them in a little butter. And basically, that's it. So let me get that grill fired up for you. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. You know, some of the best burgers really ought to keep it simple. Now I know, you know what I'm saying, I could have added more fancier stuff. Everybody do hamburgers. And, you know, I want to do, for the camera, you still nervous? For the camera person, real simple recipe. Now, okay, now these are old-fashioned burgers. Now I could use fancier seasons and everything, but sometimes the best stuff is just kept simple. Now my smoke is going real good, and I'm gonna cook these here indirect. As you can see, I got the coals on one side, and I got the open grill on the other side. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I got some leftover onion pieces. I'm gonna put them on there because I want to have a good onion flavor. So I'm gonna dump them on the coals, and that's gonna help get that smoke some flavor. Now, after I made my patties and season, I would like to put mine in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. They get them more firmer, as you can see right here. Now, I put them on there. That. Okay. Ready? Get this over here. All right, there we go. Now, I'm gonna cover them up and let them go. Now I'm finna go in the house and put a little butter on the buns and get my buns toasted. But probably when this get about halfway ready or about, well, really almost fully ready, I'll have my buns ready. Cooking General out. Ask somebody. Ooh, man, as you can see there, look at that. They golden brown, they done. They grilling, they got that flame grill going on them. And I ain't gonna use no bacon. Like I say, I ain't gonna make them fancy and all this. It's an old-fashioned onion burger. That's why you see the onion chunks cut up into the burger, just like that. You know, the only thing I'm gonna do to them, I'm gonna probably put some cheese on them, you know. That's gonna be the only thing I'm gonna do extra to them. Let's put that cheese on them, let them melt, and come back, and I'll show you how they look. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, there we go, we back. Alrighty, we got the buns, toasted golden brown. Put a little butter on them, put them on the grill. They got the little smoke in them, hamburger. Now I'm finna put what you want on them. You can put what you want on them. You know, I'm gonna add, you know, what I showed y'all: mayonnaise, mustard, pickles, jalapenos, you know, and that's probably basic it. Mayonnaise, mustard, jalapeno, pickles. That's probably basically what I'm gonna use. But you can use all kind of stuff. Oh man, I'm gonna try one of these bad boys out. Ooh, let me see how they taste. Ask somebody. Oh! So that's how you make an old-fashioned onion burger. Man, look at this bad boy. That's what I'm talking about. I gotta hurry up because I got company. Oh man, I got company coming anyway. New camera person, I'm sorry, but you done a pretty good job. First time, hey, we're gonna do better. They here, but old fashioned chicken burgers, man. Oh great, go on, turn the music up. Hell with it. Chicken General.